Hello everyone, fellow YouTubers. Today I'm going to show you how to download OBS Studio, the ultimate tool for high quality screen recording. Whether you are a gamer, a tutorial maker, or just someone who loves sharing their screen, OBS Studio has got your back. So let's dive in. First thing first, open up your browser and head over to obsproject.com and search for obsproject.com. As you can see, open broadcaster software. It's the official website for downloading OBS project. Click on it. Once you are in the website, you have to select the Windows option. Click on it. As you can see, the download has started. Click on save and it will begin downloading the OBS Studio. OBS Studio has been downloaded. Let's go to File Manager. Here is the program. Click on Write and Run as Administrator. So as you can see, the OBS Studio setup has shown up on our screen. In next video, we will show you how to use the OBS Studio, a complete tutorial on this. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys will subscribe to our channel. Stay fit and goodbye.